Hey friends, how would you like to receive this beautiful box all wrapped up, all ready for you? Look at that. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful kit. Yes, it is a flip-flop summer wreath kit. And guess what? When I do my kits, everything is cut, measured, and ready for you. Look at the way we wrap things up. I mean, are we professionals or what? So in this kit, you get the wreath base, you get the mesh, you get all the ribbon already measured and cut the size. You get these beautiful handcrafted by me flip-flops that match the ribbon, of course. And of course, you get a ready-made beautiful bow. Yeah, and look at that amazing little flower. And guess what, you guys? Those little flowers, we have a tutorial, so you might want to grab that too. So we are going to start with this pretty wreath form, our mesh, already cut for you, nothing for you to do, no tools required, no leftover, nothing. Once you get the kit, all you need is our YouTube video, or you can rewatch this. But this is a little too fast, right? A little. So we're just going to go around and mesh our wreath up. Look how pretty that's already looking. A little some, a little different, right? We pinch our mesh about 5.5 inches and put it in the twist. Put both ends in the following twist and then go over the previous and move on to the next twist. And we do that all the way around to what I call the lower deck. We repeat the same thing for the upper deck. Don't you like my ways of making you think about the beach? Lower deck, upper deck, nice little boat ride in your flip-flops. Who wouldn't want that, right? As we all still sitting here. Well, where I am, it's still a little cold. So again, we just keep going around with this beautiful green mesh. Again, everything is cut to size for you. Everything is measured. You just get to enjoy a nice afternoon crafting away. And you know what? Maybe you have a few ladies over and you guys call it a craft night. Hey, might be some little cocktails going with it. You know, the beach and all of that. You know, that could be done, right? Imagine how fun that would be. And then we're going to go again with the mesh, but this time we're going to zigzag it in between because you know what? I like my wreath bases full, like really full. And we just pinch and twist and fluff. You guys, you're going to see me fluff so much that it's like, it's funny. It becomes funny. Because we got to fluff. We got to fluff the mesh. We got to fluff the ribbons. And we got to fluff that bow once we put it on. So you're going to get to see this whole beautiful wreath totally done. And you see me using any tools? No. And that's going to be the same for you. No tools. And while you're at it, you might want to check out all the other great kits that we have. I will put the link below. We also have a patriotic flip-flop wreath kit. You might want to check that out. All right, now we go in with the ribbon. Again, it's all measured and cut for you. So all you got to do is place the colors together, fold it in half. I love to not totally overlap it. Pinch it in the center and put it on the lower deck and go all the way around with that on the bottom part of your wreath form, just like so. And look how pretty it's starting to look, and look how colorful and happy these are. So pretty. And they are handcrafted by me. Yes, and they are wood. They're made with wood. I paint them and then I protect them. I seal them. So you got nothing to worry about. But look at that. Look at that pretty flower. It just adds a pretty little touch. It really just does. But we, of course, need to put in a little extra ribbon. So we're going to go in with a little bit of yellow on the upper deck, on the top part of our wreath work form. And make it all nice and full. And of course, the flip-flops go in and they twist in 3 spots so you can very well secure them to your base. Bring the other side, and then we can put our pretty little daisy in. Of course, what is a wreath without a bow? And you get a ready-made bow, so you don't have to worry about anything other than fluff it. You might not need to fluff it because wait till you see the way I pack my bows. So what are you waiting for? Come on over to my shop and find this kit and many more. Get ready for summer. See you guys there. Bye.